Let's check it out.
Also, we had the other macaroon, which is the lemon one, and we had there was a cupcakes that they didn't have. That was ours. They only had one. Scallops and the regular scallops.
I am making SNICKER-SNAP no-bake fudge. What I've done is I've crushed a cup of gingersnaps. I sprayed some oil in the bottom, and now I'm just putting this as a layer, like a crust on the bottom. Then I've taken 3 3/4 cups of white chocolate morsels, and I'm going to add to that a can of sweetened evaporated milk, and I'm going to put it in the microwave at 30-second intervals, so we can get the morsels to melt.
Okay guys, so we just came back from Publix and it's currently dark outside because we had to go other places besides Publix.
So at the end of the vlog, make sure you subscribe,
Like,
share,
and comment.
Oh, comment down below what is your favorite place to go, and what is your favorite cupcake or macaroon or anything dessert to get there. So okay guys, so the lights just went out. That was creepy. Anyways, we are going to do the we're going to try the cupcakes and all the macaroons and everything tomorrow because it is too late, as you can see. So stay beautiful. Peace. Mwah.